Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Two-Stroke Turbo channel. Welcome back to working on cars and making life better. This is our 1998 Honda CR-V. This is our kids' car now. They're old enough to drive it. It's a 5-speed manual, and it has been stolen 4 times. It's been totaled 3, maybe 4 times. I can't remember. Every time it gets stolen. It hasn't been stolen in 3 years, so that's good. There is a decline on stolen cars in Portland, Oregon, so that is fantastic. One thing though that's always bothered me since I put the lift kit on here, I put a 3-inch lift kit on this car, is it started to chew the insides of the front tires. I don't know if you can see that, but these were new tires. You can see there's lots of tread on the outside, not so much on the inside, and I suspected it would do that. I have here a level, and if I put the level even with the base of the tire, and even though the level is too tall and it hits the fender, it is level right about there, a little ways away from the fender, and you can see the gap. If I can get the camera, there's an inch gap atop the tire. I know that these things are cambered in, so there's negative camber on the front, and there's no adjustment. Oh, let me turn the light on there. There's no adjustment on the ball joint. The replacement ball joints, there's no way to adjust the camber unless you're smart and you buy one of these adjustable control arms made for Honda CR-Vs, and you can see the slider there. You can adjust the ball joint by sliding this. So I'm going to remove the old factory control arm on the top. I'm going to pop these in so we have some adjustability and see if we can get these tires from eating themselves up. I don't want to burn through tires, so that's what I'm going to do. Pop it off, pop it in.